Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you my 3 favorite avocado masks for oily skin. I like to use avocado in my skincare routine because avocado is a natural moisturizer and natural antioxidant. If you would like to know more about avocado and benefits that avocado has, visit my blog www.tamishealthtips.com. I hope that you will enjoy the video. If you will, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos that I will be posting here. So, enjoy the video and let's get started. And the last mask that I want to share with you, you don't have to prepare it at home, you just can buy it on the internet. I've been loving those sheet masks very much. They are godsend if you are in a rush, if you are lazy, or if you just want to have a quick home spa for your skin. They are absolutely lovely. I can't say which one is better. I love them both and I've been using them, saying frankly, for a very long time now. It's good for travel as well. It's like a quick fix solution if you are short in time. And that's all the masks I wanted to share with you. I hope that you enjoyed them and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and have a nice day everyone. I will see you next time.